Hey guys, this is not a wax. This is Robert Lukat again. Check out the hood right here. This is no Cadillac hood. There's still clear coat right here, okay? And right here the clear coat is eroding. So what I want to show you guys is when you use this to clean, not to wax. So I'm not going to do the circles. What I'm going to do instead is just go back and forth like this. This is very easy to use because it's a cleaner. It's not a cutter. You're not really biting deep. It's just cleaning superficially, but it'll remove the buildup, the contaminations, and the oxidation. This stuff is sick. So when I do this, you'll note that I'm just rubbing back and forth. I'm cleaning the surface right here until it clears up. There's no wax in this product. It's not gonna make it shiny. All I'm doing is cleaning it up to remove the buildup. Okay, it's coming out really nice. Okay, you don't see no color coming off because it's got the clear coat right there. And what I want you to notice is, can you guys see the reflection though? Can you guys see that? Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now this is shiny, not because it's wax, but because it's clean. Okay, so watch this. I'm gonna rub my finger on there. There's no wax here. All I did was cleaned it. Now, when I did this, I didn't remove any clear. I just cleaned it. Now right here, there's very little clear. So we're gonna be working directly on the color-based coat. So I'm gonna put this on like this. Remember the way the towel looks? Now I'm gonna do this. And that's just my private jet flying around in circles. So all I'm doing is going back and forth cleaning. Remember, because you're cleaning and not waxing, you can actually fix your paint over a period of time. It's not gonna haze up anymore because you cleaned the contamination. And what you have is the original smooth and glossy state that's exposed. Now right here where the clear coat is gone and the base goes exposed, I'm blending them. So look, you see that? That's the oxidation. You can kind of see that too right there. Okay. But now, can you guys see the reflection? Are you getting that on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're cleaning, guys, this is a cleaning product, not a wax. You can clean this paint. Is it elbow grease? Yes, but you know what? If you want to buy a machine, it's 10 times easier, but you can do it by hand. You can be done in sections. You can get this side here done, half the hood, come back next week, do the rest. Because you're not waxing, okay, you're cleaning, you're fixing the paint job. Anyways, check us out at lukatdetail.com. That's where you can get it, order it. You got questions, call us, check on the About section. Please like and subscribe, and wishing you guys a great year. Later, guys.